Welcome to Sandra's Homespun Cooking. In today's video, I am using my pressure cooker to make a delicious cheesy taco pasta. So to get started, I select the saute function and allow my pressure cooker to come up to heat. And while that is heating, I add a little avocado oil to the pot. Once the pot is heated, I add 1 pound of extra lean ground beef. And I'm just going to chop that up into crumbles. And to the ground beef, I'm going to add some diced green pepper and diced onion. I used about a cup of each. You can use as much as you want or totally omit it if you don't like green pepper or onion. Allow this to continue to cook, stirring occasionally until the beef is cooked through and no longer pink. Next, I'm going to add a package of taco seasoning, a can of tomato sauce, this is 15 ounces, and a can of green chilies. I'm going to give that a little stir, and then I'm going to add 4 cups of water and a box of rotini pasta, and then I'm going to give it another stir. Next, I'm going to lower the lid and make sure that my valve is set to sealed. Then I move to the control panel of the pressure cooker and click the stop button to cancel the saute setting. Next, I select to do pressure and have it set to high, and I'm going to cook this for about 6 minutes. After the pasta is cooked, I will do a quick pressure release. Once the pressure is released, I open the lid carefully and give a little stir to the pasta. Next, I stir in some Mexican-style shredded cheese, adding a little at a time. I used about 2 cups, but I reserved about 1/4 of a cup of the cheese to spread over the pasta when I serve it. This is a great standalone dish, but you could easily dress it up a little by adding some additional toppings, such as sliced green onions or black olives. My son even suggested adding some hot sauce to kick it up a notch with a little heat. I think that's a great idea. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and thanks for watching.